Hello, Milos. Welcome to this quick interview to promote a little about your talk in the GenAI Summit. Maybe you can do a quick presentation for us.
Yeah, sure. So first of all, thanks for inviting me. I'm really happy to be participating in this GenAI Summit. My background is in product management and product management leadership. So for the past 15 years or so, I've had the opportunity of building all sorts of technical stuff. So from one of the world's first over-the-horizon radars that detected ships like 300 kilometers away from the line of shore using a team of generals and signal processing and AI experts, to basically creating some of the AI and data-driven products that were used by hundreds of millions of people and serving basically most of all of Fortune 100 companies. And during that time, I also had the privilege to be leading some of the very inspiring teams of product management people and engineering people and businesses in general.
What is your motivation to move this role about the ethics in AI?
So my academic background is in computer science, and I have a PhD in artificial neural network, and basically all of my career I've been working to advance the capabilities of AI. But then as of recently, maybe like 3 or 4 years, I've been starting to think that maybe this AGI thing, the general intelligence, is really going to happen much sooner than people actually realize. And this brought me some unrest, and this unrest basically kept growing and growing until like a year ago I decided to step down from my role as being a CEO of a UK-based fintech company and focus my time to figure out first how I can contribute to our future world in the best possible way. And that's where I've started, first of all, updating myself on some of the AI safety and AI governance things, but also kind of trying to understand a bit more broadly what the consequences are going to be and different level of risks that the AI may pose for us today or in the future.
And you're going to talk about that in your talk in the GenAI Summit. What are your main topics about?
The things in GenAI are evolving rapidly, so I will make sure that whatever I talk about is very contemporary and that basically delivers the message that people can use at that point in time. But more importantly, I think I'm on top of the market, current market trends and so on. So I'm gonna try to provide some sort of a guidebook for people so that they can stay up to date and they can learn from trusted sources how to understand and cut through the noise, because there is a lot of noise in AI. We hear a lot of people, it's a sort of a buzz theme and everybody wants to be it. So I'm going to try to cut through this noise and basically tell them what sources they can rely on to get credentialed information and contemporary information. But also, what's happening right now is that we have some sort of a gap in what we're hearing from the scientific community on one hand side and what we're hearing from the labs on the other hand side on whether the scaling laws will continue to come through and basically, or we will see some sort of a plateau in capabilities in 2025. And in each of those cases, there will be an outcome that will reflect on the agentic AI, the use cases that will come sooner rather than later, the other ones that will be postponed and maybe not deliver on the value. And then my general idea is to take the audience through those scenarios, take them through what I think, looking at all of those data sources and the experience that I have, what is likely to happen, and then try to give them something that they can walk away knowing that what is the best way that they can do, what is the best thing that they can do so that they can position themselves better in this job market or motivate themselves to basically contribute to AI in a different way that is more ethical and so on. Those are the kind of lines along which I've been thinking about.
Thank you, Milos. We are very glad to have you in our conference. I'm very happy to have you in Valencia too. welcome again and see you in 11th and 12th of April 2025.
Thanks for inviting me. Thanks, everybody.